So just out here in the bush, thought I'd take a bit of time to review my OZtrail Galaxy 2 sofa chair. It's a 2-person seat one. Comes in a great bag that's very sturdy. I haven't broken it yet. It's a nice loose fitting bag, which makes it easy to get on and off when you're packing or unpacking it. Folds out beautifully. Now, it's made of a steel construction. I haven't had any problems with rivets or things busting or plastic feet busting like that. Had some quite heavy people sit in it and haven't had a problem. It's got this material here. It's nice sturdy material. It's soft, it's padded. It's quite a comfortable seat to sit in. It's got a cup holder here and a wine glass holder as well. You can fit 2 people in it quite comfortably. Really comfortable to sit in, things like that. The only problem is that I don't know why I bought a 2-seat chair, because it's just me, but that's not the chair's fault. I have been known to lie down in it and sleep from time to time. Not the most comfortable place to sleep, but better than lying on the ground in some places where there's stuff around like that. So overall, it's a great chair. Really good construction, haven't had a problem with it. I would recommend getting the OZtrail, not like some of the cheap ones where the steel tubing of the legs will fold up and things like that. Really happy with how the chair goes. Great chair.